Hey guys, Professor Bob here. Welcome to Module 12, Climate Change. The biggest issue probably in your lifetime, for one, and definitely in this class of environmental science. It's you know it's a big issue. So make sure you read up on it in your book, and you may want to even look at your assignment before you do your discussion board. You get to be the president for a day and name a couple things that you would do if you were president. Pretend you're president and you can do anything. What would those things be in order to address the issue of climate change? Okay. Let me give you one thing really quickly. The way I do this in a face-to-face class is I teach the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is how the earth is warmed. So learn that first. Get on the internet, Google it, look for some animations. But I'll tell you in a nutshell, you have visible light coming in from the sun straight through our atmosphere. Our atmosphere doesn't have anything to do with visible light. The visible light shines on our surface, it heats it up, and then Earth's surface re-emits that energy as infrared radiation. Do you like my hands there? Infrared radiation is long wavelength. Short wavelength visible light is what comes down into space. So short wavelength visible light heats up Earth's surface. Earth's surface re-emits longer wavelength, slower wavelength infrared radiation. Turns out that certain gases in our atmosphere trap that heat for us, okay? If we didn't have greenhouse gases, less than 1% of our atmosphere is greenhouse gases, okay? However, if we didn't have them, Earth would be a frozen ball. The oceans would be frozen solid. So the greenhouse effect is a good thing, okay? So if you know the greenhouse effect, how it's warmed, what's the issue with climate change or global warming, as it used to be called? Well, basically, it turns out the more of these gases, the more molecules of CO2 and methane and other greenhouse gases that are in our atmosphere, the more of those infrared photons that get trapped and come back down and keep our lower atmosphere warmer, okay? If you can get your head around the greenhouse effect and understand that we are increasing the gases in the atmosphere, that'll be a big help, okay? Let me know if you have any questions, but enjoy the discussion board. I'm going to tell you what, this week I'm giving you to Thursday, until Thursday, to make your initial post. You may want to educate yourself more on the topic before then. Your final post will again be due Sunday, okay? So get it done. One more week after this, and then we get into renewable energies, kind of what we can do, okay? But I'll be checking in somewhere in the week, I hope. I can get to you guys. Really enjoyed having y'all this semester. By the way, really enjoyed your discussion boards. I loved all the accolades. I have a feeling since I knew who was responding, you were very nice to me. But I appreciate it. But there were very few critical comments in there. But that'll do. Speaking of that, I know it's a long announcement, but you should be getting a link to the idea survey. That way you can rate me anonymously, you know. But please be fair, if you would. But anyway, have a great time. If you have any questions, give me a call or email me. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.